Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am doing a quick review of a shipping label printer by POLONO. They so gratefully and generously reached out to me and asked if I could review their their label printers. And I, of course, said yes because as a small business owner, this is crucial to have for your business. So I was super excited when they reached out, and I was like, heck yeah, send that. Mainly because my other printer was really crappy. So when I got this, I was hoping for the best, and it did not disappoint. Right now, you see me just unboxing everything, just showing you what's inside. Everything was super easy to install, super easy to read. They do have a USB where it has the installation, but I just went on their website and just downloaded the installation directly to my laptop because I don't know why. I just like to do things the hard way. But yeah, you just see me here unboxing everything. And of course, I got pink and white because how cute is it? And it's my aesthetic. So I was like, yeah, this is amazing. But I am just showing you everything. I'm not really going to do a step-by-step installation process because literally it's so self-explanatory, super easy. And look, that QR code, you just click on it with your camera on your phone, it will send you directly to their website, and that's how I, installed my installation hard drive. It also, of course, comes with a cord, one to plug in and one to connect to your laptop. So this is not wireless or uses Wi-Fi, so you have to connect it every time you print, which is okay with me because it's not like I'm gonna be, I don't know, guys. It's just perfect, small, convenient. I really do like it. You just see me here setting up. They also come with a connection cord, so if you have a Mac, this was actually very nice of them to include because if you have a newer version Mac, they don't have those USB outlets anymore. They have that skinny, I don't know what it's called, but it's inconvenient, and I don't understand why they switched it. But I guess the more money they could get from you, that's just Mac. But I was so happy that they actually sent that connection because I do have one, but in case you don't, it's already there. So they provide that for you. They also have shipping label, like the actual labels on their website as well as Amazon. I will have everything linked in the description box below just to let you guys know. So right now I'm just installing it. It literally took me like 5 to 10 minutes to do all of this. Super easy. I'm going to show you the difference between my old printer and this new one in just a few seconds. They do offer different sizes of the labels. The one that I received was a 4x6 and a 2 1/4 by 1 1/4. Right now I am just printing out a 4x6 label, which the quality of the print was amazing compared to my last printer, which you'll see in just a couple seconds. It was really bad, but this one was solid lines, solid words, and then look how blotchy and like it wasn't even solid, this old printer. I hated it, guys. I hated it. I did not like it, but this printer right here was so good. Like the quality, the image, it was all perfect. Like I was so excited that I received this and it printed out perfect. I was just beyond grateful and happy. So you see me right now doing the smaller labels. Just a tip: when you're printing this out, make sure you're adjusting to the dimensions and make sure you're scaling the image down so it actually could print on the actual label. Before I wasn't doing it right because the image was too large, so it wasn't really printing right. It kept skipping labels. It was just a hot mess, but I finally got it and it came out perfect. I absolutely love this printer and I'm so thankful for them to even send it to me. It's just perfect. I am just obsessed with it. So if you guys want to go check them out, please go check out the Amazon storefront. I will have everything linked in the description box below. Until next time, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and